Hello viewers, I am Dr. Nikhil Fade, orthopedic surgeon, practicing in PCMC area, Wakad. I have own hospital, The Healing Joint. Today we will demonstrate you the olecranon bursitis. What is olecranon bursitis? Olecranon bursitis is the fluid-filled sac over the olecranon. Bursa is fluid with fluid, whether it is inflammatory or non-inflammatory fluid. Sometimes it is associated with blood also due to trauma. Olecranon bursa acts as a cushion over elbow, will act as a shock absorber and protect the elbow joint from against the skin, rubbing the skin. Causes of olecranon bursitis. What is the cause? Causes is repeated trauma to the olecranon, acute and chronic trauma due to fall, sports activities, heavy trauma, heavy stress over olecranon, some pathological conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, gout, pseudo gout. Olecranon bursitis sometimes acts like in inflammatory and non-inflammatory conditions, which leads to bursitis. And some IT peoples it is common due to a repeated elbow rub on the chair table while operating the laptop. Differential diagnosis: olecranon fracture, olecranon tumors, then injury to the olecranon joint, rheumatoid arthritis, pseudo gout. Treatment part: most of the patient does not require anything. Olecranon bursitis, RICE technique: rest, immobilization, crepe bandage application. That's it. Some patients require anti-inflammatory tablets, and some people require, if it is inflammatory condition, antibiotics. Some patients require physiotherapy, ultrasonic and phonopheresis. Rarely patient require surgical approach. Non-surgical approach, sometimes we have to aspirate the bursa. Non-surgical treatment. In non-surgical treatment, we have to aspirate the bursa with the help of 18 gauge needle. Bursa is beneath the skin. We have to direct approach over the bursa, and we have to put some anti-inflammatory medication in that sac. Once fluid aspirate, we have to medicate with the help of some anti-inflammatory analgesic agent like 2% xylocaine and 1 ml depometrol injection to reduce the chances of recurrence. And after procedure done, we have to put crepe bandage and arm sling pouch for 2 to 3 weeks. Olecranon bursitis. Olecranon bursitis, there are many ways of treatment. Today we will demonstrate you olecranon bursitis aspiration. Painting this area with the help of betadine and sanitizer to make them aseptic. In aseptic precaution, we're gonna demonstrate you how to aspirate olecranon bursitis. This is 10% betadine solution to keep this area aseptic, sterile. Anesthetic agent 2% xylocaine and Kinecort injection cocktail 1 ml each. See, this is boggy swelling. We are aspirating the bursitic fluid from this area. For that, we have to take 5 ml syringe, and now I am showing you how to fluid aspirate in this area. Fluid I am aspirating, almost I am aspirating 5 to 6 ml.
20 ml same.
20 ml ना. Very less few people require surgery in the form of bursa excision. Okay viewers, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon.